How to add music on CapCut PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can add music on CapCut PC. So in order to add music to your CapCut PC, all you have to do is watch this video till the end. So first thing, you need to download the application, and after that you need to open the desktop app and sign in into your account. Then click on the new project option to start a new video edit, or select and open an existing video project. On the project screen, click on import to select and add all of your videos and audio files that are downloaded to your computer. You can add both your videos and your song file to your project using the uploader. Your uploaded files will be shown in your local media files as well, or you can select and add music from the CapCut's audio library by clicking the audio tab. Simply you need to drag your selected video and the song file to your video editing timeline to edit your video to the music. So that's how you can add music to your CapCut. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.